My voice is gone. I think I sang every anime theme song ever made.
楽しかったね。ビル君、上手だったよ。
楽しかった。楽しかった。It means was fun. That means it was fun. And thank you. But my feet are telling me it's time to go home. We need a taxi.
うん。あ、来た。タクシー。
タクシー。タクシー. It means taxi. Perfect. Let me get the door for you. Whoa. It just flew open by itself.
ふふ、ビル君。ドアは自動だよ。触らないで。
ji-doh. ji-doh. It means automatic. It's automatic. Right. Don't touch the magic door. Lesson 1 of Japan.
こんばんは。どちらまで？
He's asking where to. Okay, I've got this. I have the address on my phone.
すみません。新宿駅の近くまでお願いします。
お願いします。お願いします。It means please, /I request. Hey, you just said, near Shinjuku Station, please. I was totally about to do that.
はい。承知いたしました。
He understood. Okay, we're moving. Success.
今日のパーティー、めっちゃ楽しかったね。
Wait, what was that word you just used? Mec-cha?
うん、とてもっていう意味。カジュアルな言い方。
めっちゃ. Mec-cha, it means very, /super. Ah, so it's slang. It means super or very. Good for casual situations with friends. But probably don't use it with the CEO. Got it.
その通り。あ、運転手さん、次のカートを右にお願いします。
はい。
右. It means right. She just said me-gai, which means right. Okay, my turn. We go straight next, right?
うん、まっすぐ。
Okay. Deep breaths. I am a master of Japanese taxis. まっすぐお願いします。まっすぐお願いします。It means straight, please. Okay. Driver. Lime. That means straight, please. Did I say it right?
はい、まっすぐですね。
Yes. He understood. I'm fluent.
すごいすごい。じゃああそこのコンビニの前で止めてもらおうか。
She said let's have him stop in front of that convenience store. Okay, final boss. How do I say stop here?
ここで止めてください。
ここで止めてください。ここで止めてください。It means, please stop here. This is it. Please stop here. Here we go.
はい、かしこまりました。
It worked. The taxi has stopped. The power.
2800円になります。
Okay, payment. 2,800 yen. I want to use my card.
カードでお願いします。
カードでお願いします。カードでお願いします。It means by card. Please. That's how you say by card. Please.
はい、どうぞ。ありがとうございました。
We did it. We have exited the vehicle. I am a champion of late-night Tokyo transport.
お疲れ様。よくできました。
Wait. Oh no. Oh no no no.
どうしたの？
My phone, the one with the address on it. It's still in the taxi.
It?